Hi everyone. In this video we will explore the powerful world of AWS Spot Instances. So Spot Instances can significantly reduce your EC2 cost, but understanding how to effectively use them is a key. I will guide you through the process of creating and managing Spot Instances in AWS. So let's dive and optimize. What we have to do is we have to click on launch instances. We will provide the name here. We will select the operating system there, that is AMI. Then we will select instance type. Then I'm going to create one new key pair for that. Yeah, it's downloaded to my local. Here we will select the VPC. So I'm keeping it default. I'm allowing SSH from anywhere for my security group only. I'm just keeping default EBS storage as well, that is 8 GB. So the main part comes now. Once you go in advanced details, you can find request spot instances. Once you click on that, you will get few of the options there, but yeah, let's go one by one from the starting. You can keep these domain directory, IAM instance profile, default, host name, IP. You can select this, that you can, like for auto recovery you can keep default. Shutdown behavior, keep it stop, because what will happen once the spot instance get removed, so first it will get stopped and your storage will not get deleted. Hibernate behavior, keep it default. uh, I'm not allowing like this CloudWatch monitoring for now, but yeah, you can add it. You don't have to select this. You can standard, you can set it as a standard, but the default one is unlimited. You don't need to select these things. These are like you can keep by default. Here you can provide your user data. User data means the script which you want to execute on the booting. So whenever the instance boots up, this script will run. I'm not using it for now, but yeah, we can discuss it later as well. So we are done with it. Like it will request a spot instance now. You can like customize the price for that as well, like a spot price. So you can click on customize. So I'm not setting up any maximum price. So maximum price will be on demand price. But if I set it up like I don't want to like it to be exceeded by that, so if spot price goes above that, my instance will get terminated. I'm not adding any expiry date. You can add it so that it will get expired on that particular date. Yeah, that's bit for a spot instance. So now we can create it. It's being creating. Yeah, it's created. Meanwhile, it's in pending state. You can see the life cycle is spot here. If you set it up as on demand, then there would be on demand. Once you go to spot request, you can find the requests as well. So this is the one active one which I just is requested. So these are the details for that. and currently the max price is this. So for t2.micro, max price is the one which is on demand, but this is not the actual current amount, current price. This is my pricing history for the on demands one. If we select t3.micro, yeah, if you see, on demand price is too high. Like on demand in US East 1, we can save up to 57%. In US East 1B, we can save up to 62% of the on demand one. So US East 1B is the cheapest one. Yeah, so that's bit about it. Now we can see by connecting to it. Yeah, it's connected as well. So I will suggest you guys to use it only for the testing purpose. Like if you are testing something, then you can use it, but don't use it for the actual production server, where if you lost the data, then it would be a big concern. So just use it for the testing purposes, not for the production.